Hey folks, I've got my Dewalt battery-powered weed eater here. I'm going to show you how to clear a jam if you've got jammed string, it's not extending, or maybe one end is cut off. First thing to do, take the battery out just so that something stupid doesn't happen while you're working on it. Next thing you're going to do is turn this upside down, and you're going to see these little tabs here. This tab here and this tab on this side, they're opposite of where the string comes out of the holes. And you're just going to push each of those tabs in, and that's going to release this top piece, and the spring will help just push it out. Once you get to that point, you can press your string through on one side, and then at this point you're just going to pull your jammed string out, and then you can just pull it through the eyelet. Once you've cleared the jam, you're going to take the piece that you had, and these two tabs that are sticking down, they're going to go again opposite of where the holes are. They're going to go sideways, and you're just going to press those in, and you'll have to give it a little bit of force. Until they click into place. And that's all there is to it. From that point, you can just add new string. If you need help about how to add string, I'll post a link at the end of the video. Otherwise, good luck to you, and thanks for watching.